ही जोडली या देशावर माझे जीवन हे कुर्बान साऱ्या जगात माझा भारत देश महान साऱ्या जगात माझा भारत देश महान. Good morning everyone. My name is Hitashi Rupe Sarkar. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day in our school. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a national festival of India. We got freedom on this day. We remember our freedom fighters. On this day, I am proud to be Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.